Preparing for what?
She get vision.
Vision?
Of wind and flood to cover the earth. Modern day Noah.
Tell me something. Something happening around here that I don't know nothing about.
Hold on. You is also hand-educated as to what is happening up on the high seas?
What?
The little fool hurricane named Gilbert. Gilbert. Anything dangerous can name Gilbert. If you didn't name Rambo or Titus, you would understand.
Hurricane Sleepy.
But Kilbert?
Wait, that not turn off yet.
Oh no, it is heading right towards Jamaica with a terrific aim.
That soon turn off, man. Every year a hurricane threaten Jamaica. So,
Hey, Sleepy, no hurricane out there here. A CIA invent them thing to frighten black people. Yeah.
Titus, it's not your fault, you know. You're born 1st of April.
so even if hurricane out there, wicked people afraid of them things. There.
Yeah.
The hurricane know exactly where it coming from.
Yeah.
Like lion and thief.
Thief.
Maybe in America, you should have just button up everything tight.
And that me I said to... Hey, Merkel. You have plenty food to do. Make me one thing I saw it.
Left it. It's for emergency food.
Hey, Sleepy. Sensible somebody can't go on so over like a breeze.
It's not a little breeze. It's 120 miles per hour breeze, gusting at 140.
That no fast. Hey, me take a bus and go a Mandeville over a weekend. Fatal attraction.
Yeah.
The driver do 145 miles per hour upon the Maypen bypass. And none of me not dead.
And when me and my brethren Merriman, I don't want to hear tip of
Okay,
him in that.
Wanna go on? Yes, man, laugh. The two of them might not be here to laugh when the breeze don't blow.
Merkel, so how little breeze will kill you? Breeze not something you have to breathe to keep alive.
But this is not no little breeze. This is a overdose of
Then
breeze.
the more of it you get, not the more alive you're supposed to be. Merkel, suppose you live a fine like me, and have to put up with tornado, volcano, and all them kind of things in a Mississippi and Okeechobee.
Wanna please to depart and let me enforce the door.
Come here, Sleepy. May go look for them lovely, fine ladies before the Essen wear off. See you later, Noah.
Yes, wanna enjoy yourself.
This is how the sky looks, sir.
Just go on, man. Hey, Merkel, may I bring back 2 fish head for you and 2 festival ends for the arc scene? And if Gilbert asks me, tell him say me gonna beach.
Rather than that, we will send him come check you.
I really damn fool there you born, Titus.
Just go on, man.
I cried unto the Lord, and he heard me.
No more parties and no more dance. You strictly church 7 days a week. Oh, Jesus help me. Praise the Lord.
Then I just lick up breeze.
It's not a joke matter, you know, Merkel. It's like, I know you don't know what's going outside them. You like a trumpet or sound.
How come you never retreat to your house at a time like
Then which part you think we go, Merkel? Well, as me run down my house, so. I'm take the key and lock the door. Then me put the piece of table behind the door. And the water coming out. When me look up,
what?
the sky. There's a Luke said that he'll see take off like Challenger spaceship.
Come here, put the furniture behind the door for him to teach Spanish.
What did Merkel do? You don't know what's going on? There's an enemy out there.
Sorry, the heart is closed. Look at inside, yeah.
All right, hold on. Here come.
No, hold on. Titus. Walk through the window. The window, Titus.
The window, Titus. You idiot. Window. What's going on there?
You see, I am blind now and
You make it sleepy.
Why, Titus? I visit dead dude.
You lucky me going in living room.
why is everybody coming here? You think that this is hurricane shelter?
Hey, Titus, let me not think you reach home a long time. The speed where you pass me upon over the causeway.
We go home.
So what the fellow?
Your roof gone?
No, the roof is there.
But what?
The roof is there, safe and sound, on the ground. I don't know what to the whole house where you rent me do.
Everything gone.
Why? We pass up like it and me not run come over here.
So why you never stop on the terminal?
Stop! You think man can stop so easy? Whenever we're at 90 miles per hour.
I can't believe it. Titus. The one of the property gone.
Sleepy, no matter bad. You don't look so cassia when you ball, do no matter anything.
Sleepy, don't worry about the house here. It no have no feelings. You just give thanks that you managed to accomplish your survival.
And that me I said too. Sleepy, I miss death by this.
Titus, you never know
Overdo. My light post dropped down and miss me head by quarter inch.
What